Here is a special weather statement. For the following county, Johnson, Iowa. At 2:29 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a slow-moving thunderstorm over University Heights, or over Iowa City, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Expected hazards include funnel clouds and possibly weak, brief tornadoes. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected: isolated damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Iowa City, University Heights, Hills, Iowa City Municipal Airport, and Johnson County Fairgrounds. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL61 in Cedar Rapids. The current time is 2:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time.